Hi, welcome back to Donkey Tales with Roger. It's absolutely pissing down outside, so I'm just waiting for the rain to abate before I go and feed the donkeys. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody that subscribed and to thank for the donations to buymeacoffee.com. Very much appreciated. I still need more. I've got 180 at the moment, so only another 820 to go. But I keep the faith, and I'm sure it'll come eventually. In the meantime, I've just been learning a new song, which is written by Simon and Garfunkel, probably over 50 years ago. But it's so pertinent to the pandemic vaccination, lockdown, censorship that we've all endured within the sound of silence. So I'm going to play that song in the hope that, like the last time I played your song, it improved my subscriptions. So here we go. I'm going to play that. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seed while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of fate, street lamp, turn my collar to the golden damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and turned the sounds of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. No one is heard. The sounds of silence. Oh, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent rain drops fell and echoed in the well. the people bow and pray to the neon god they made. And the signs flash out their warning, the words that they were forming. And the signs that the words of the prophets were written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence. Hope you enjoyed that. As I say, amazing lyrics, considering it was written so many years ago. So, as I say, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. So please subscribe. Another 820 of you. And I'll get monetized. Awful word, but there we go. Thank you, and have a good day.